justtoday.com, and today I'm going to be showing you avocado shake. Let me expand your mind on how I made this avocado shake. And so let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Scoop of vanilla ice cream, and I'm using Max Vanilla Organic Ice Cream. Pouring in some low-fat 1% milk. I'd say 1 cup of 1% low-fat milk here. And then 3 tablespoons of mushed avocados. Put a lid on it. Shake it or blend it. Put it in a nice glass, because you know you special. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, so that tells me that you like this video. And check it out, I made avocado shake. Alright, my eaters, hopefully this recipe was really simple enough for you to make a cup at home. Look at it, isn't it amazing? Hopefully you enjoyed a cup with me. That being said, this is a hashtag collaboration drink tips video with Chef Jason at Chef Adventures, with Ryan's GS Barbecue and Stuff, as well as Blake Hadrian, Cook Classy, Lagom Eats, Cheoff Geoff, and Jamie Mack, as they did a drink tip recipe video. It could be alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Anyways, so that being said, always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. Here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. I'll see you.